I was completely obsessed. It took over my life, just worrying about, oh, somebody's looking up at my scalp. Oh, you know, I knew something had to happen. And I had heard commercials for, you know, hair loss solutions and stuff. I decided I needed to change something. I was nervous that, you know, with such an extreme change, people would be like, oh my gosh. But they weren't, and they were just kind of, oh, your hair looks great. Did you do something? You know, and it completely changed how I felt, how I communicated with people. My confidence was so much better. My relationship with my husband was completely changed. I never really realized that something like this was out there for people who were just unhappy with their hair, that didn't have an extreme condition, but just didn't like the way that they looked. And I was very surprised at how secure it feels. You know, I can swim with it. I went on vacation and I swim in the ocean and it was completely fine. I mean, I honestly hadn't been swimming in years and years just because I didn't want my hair to get wet. I started out with one color, got to another, different cuts, different lengths, and it's just, there's so many possibilities, so many. It's amazing.